If you're looking to set up Asana for content creation, stick around because I'm about to show you how I streamlined my workflow and saved a ton of time in just a few simple steps. I'll give you a quick explanation of how I use Asana for my content creation process so you can get started fast and take your productivity to the next level. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll also be sharing how you can get a completely free trial of Asana with exclusive bonuses. So, first things first, when I set up Asana for content creation, I start by creating a content creation project. This is where everything goes, whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media content. I want to keep everything in one place so it's easy to track progress and meet deadlines. Next thing I do is set up different sections for each type of content. For example, I create columns for ideas, in progress, editing, and published. This allows me to easily visualize where everything stands at a glance. It's incredibly helpful to see which tasks need attention and which ones are on track without scrolling through endless tasks. The third thing I focus on is using tasks within each section. Each content idea gets its own task, and I add as many details as possible right there, like links to references, deadlines, and even attachments like images or video drafts. This keeps everything organized and ensures I don't miss anything important. Now, the fourth thing is assigning tasks to the right team members or even to myself for solo projects. Asana allows you to assign due dates and reminders for each task, which helps to keep everything on track and avoid letting things slip through the cracks. If I'm working on a YouTube video, for instance, I'll create tasks for the script, filming, editing, and final upload. The fifth thing I love about Asana is the ability to set recurring tasks. For content creators like me, consistency is key, so I use recurring tasks for weekly or monthly planning sessions, social media posts, or even regular check-ins with my team. This keeps everything flowing smoothly without having to manually set up tasks every time. Next, I take full advantage of Asana's project templates. These are perfect for recurring content processes. For example, I can use a template for video creation that has pre-made sections for planning, scripting, shooting, and editing. This cuts down on setup time and ensures I follow the same process every time, which is key to staying efficient. Now, let's talk about the calendar view. This is probably my favorite feature. It helps me visualize when things are due and how my content schedule looks over time. It's great for balancing multiple content pieces at once, so I can make sure I'm not overloading myself or my team. Before I wrap up, here's a little bonus tip. I always link relevant tasks within Asana, so if one task depends on another, I can easily click and navigate to the related task. This connection between tasks helps me stay on top of the process without feeling overwhelmed by the details. If all of this sounds like something that could help your content creation process, I've got some great news. You can get started with Asana for completely free through the first link in the description below. Plus, there's an exclusive bonus for you if you sign up today. To recap, I showed you how to set up Asana for content creation by creating a structured project, breaking tasks into sections, assigning due dates, and using templates and calendar views. These tips will help you stay organized, save time, and keep your content creation process running smoothly. Make sure to check the first link below for your exclusive and extended free trial. Happy creating!